Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Have groundhogs or woodchucks turned your backyard into a war zone? Tunnels, chewed plants, and crater-sized holes? Don't worry, I've got natural, humane, and effective ways to send them packing, and how to fix the damage they've done. Now, let's dig in, pun intended. Here are 6 ways to make those groundhogs leave. Number 1, castor oil spray irritates the groundhog digestive tracts and makes the soil unpleasant. We have the perfect DIY mix you'll need: 1/4 cup castor oil, 2 tablespoons dish soap, 1 gallon of water mixed together. Spray this around the burrow and garden and make your yard a no-go zone. Number 2, garlic and hot pepper spray. The strong smells repels them. All you need for our do-it-yourself mix is 5 crushed garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, 1 gallon of water. Steep garlic cloves and cayenne in water overnight. Spray around holes and plants. They'll hate the smell. Number 3, predator urine for fox and coyotes. To use, sprinkle granules or spray around burrow entrances and garden edges. Fox or coyote urine is nature's way of saying, "Don't come here." It's safe for your garden, but scares the heck out of groundhogs. You can purchase at outdoor or garden supply stores or on Amazon. Number 4, motion-activated sprinklers or lights. These sprinklers detect movement and blast water. No one likes a surprise shower, especially not groundhogs. And groundhogs don't like bright lights. Pro tip, rotate location every few days to prevent them from adapting. Number 5, ammonia-soaked rags. Soak a rag in ammonia, toss it into the burrow entrance, and cover lightly. Repeat every couple of days. Groundhogs hate its strong, unpleasant odor. Caution: keep pets and kids away. Number 6, plant these near previous burrow sites or garden borders. Groundhogs dislike the smell, but to you, your garden will smell heavenly. Lavender, sage, mint, daffodils, and eucalyptus. Once you've made the groundhogs leave, you'll want to fill in the holes and burrows, but make sure it's vacant first. Here's how: sprinkle flour or talcum powder around the hole and look for tracks the next morning. If there are no signs of tracks for several days, you're good to fill them up. But don't just add dirt. To fill the hole, you'll want to use gravel or crushed rock. This provides poor tunneling conditions, and the groundhogs will go elsewhere. Next, cover it with soil. Make sure the soil is packed. You can use a boot or even a tamp. The tighter, the better. For added security, lay chicken wire or mesh on top and cover with dirt to prevent redigging. What not to do: avoid using mothballs. They are toxic and largely ineffective. Don't fill holes if you suspect babies are inside, usually spring to early summer. Let's face it, groundhogs might be cute, but not in your garden. With these do-it-yourself tricks, you'll soon be reclaiming your yard. Please note all mentioned products are listed below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.